everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, I will be participating in an open collaboration hosted by Kreating with Miss Kaye, and her co-hosts are Lady Cinnamon, Crafty Nana 6200. So this is her first hosting and I would like to support her. And this is $10 DIY Winter Decor Challenge. So my items, I bought it from Dollar Tree, and I have 3 of this, and I have 4 of this candle holders. So I will be using this on my, actually in our purple Valentines Tablescape. So I'm not gonna bling this up because it's already very pretty, and there's looks like a purple there. So this is like a transparent, but I would like this to be very simple because my tablescape is already all glam. So I would like to tone it down. Also, I bought this E6000 from Dollar General for $2. And I will be using this. This is actually a ribbon, and I'm going to repurpose it, and I also have this ribbon right here. So alright guys, my glue gun is already been heat up. So if you guys don't know Kreating with Miss Kaye, Lady Cinnamon, and Crafty Nana, you should check them out because they have an amazing content in their channel. Alright guys, let's get this started. So later guys, I'm going to style this on my coffee table. So what I'm doing over here, I just put those E6000 on top of that. I'm also gonna use the glue. This is the easiest way DIY challenge that I ever made. So my plan is this votive candle, I'm going to do 3 of them. So this 2 is the same height, and the other one I'm going to make it 2 candle holder, and I put those votive candle on the top. Here I'm going to use this vase that I thrifted from Goodwill. On top of that, I'm going to put the flower fillers that I also got from Dollar Store. Here I'm going to use this tulips. This is my flower all year round, and because this is winter and it's white, so I'm going to use this as well, and this will be my bonus. Alright guys, so while my votive candle is drying up, I just decided to make a flower arrangement. Let's style this on my enjoy coffee table. And here I'm trying to make those ribbon. So here I'm using this glass cleaner from Home Goods.
And here is my styling number 1.
Alright guys, so my styling number 1. So remember this, Steve's mom's gifted this to me on Christmas. And she knows I'm glam, but I cannot put anything in there yet. Probably I'm gonna put napkin right here. And look how pretty this candle holder are. That's why I don't want to bling it up, because by itself it's already very pretty. I have my hand there. Shout out to Kaye, Kreating with Miss Kaye, and she told me I would put her on this, and I did. Thank you, that's a good idea. See? I'm actually learning from you. And I have my ginger jar. So this one is my styling number 1. So I will do a bonus with this. Let's go to styling number 2.
So here in styling number 2, I'm going to use this vase that I bought from Mark's. It was a grocery store and it was $7.99. So in the third look, I will be using this apothecary jar that I bought from Home Goods 2 years ago. And I have flowers from at home. Top of that, I will be using this Paris Eiffel Tower. And once again, my DIY candle holder. Here, I will be using this love sign that I used yesterday in our Valentines Tablescape. And here are my bonus. It's a Valentine's inspiration. So the only thing that I spend here is the DIY, and I spent $9 on it. I would like to say thank you to Kreating with Miss Kaye for inviting me in this fun challenge of her first hosting of $10 Winter Decor Challenge 2021. And also for the co-host, Lady Cinnamon and Crafty Nana. Guys, please check them out. The host channel, Kreating with Miss Kaye. Lady Cinnamon, Crafty Nana, also the rest of the participants of this collaboration. I will leave the link below in my description box of all these ladies, and also the playlist link for you to watch. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.